Well, then what'd you read it for?
One guy said, hold on.
Oh, Gurney. Go, see.
Gotta be going. Let's go. Come on.
Come on, guys. Come on, let's go.
Good job, guys. Come on, big kids. Be going up there. Come on. Oh, I'm on TV. Odie, 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 odie. Was I on?
Yep.
I was too low. Hey guys, just grab a bag instead of letting me go in. Scott. Bag. That's fine. Come on. All right, bring me a roll, okay, Brett? Black tape, please. For my jet, too. You're still home the eighth. I'm not fucking paying you nothing. Well, I'm a man then. I don't know. Wait, you've been playing. You've been basically. I'll go with you. I fucked that up. I never did. He's just bullshit. Actually, I hit him, so it would be my fault, but actually it was his fault for bad play there. I grabbed that. I realize you haven't done it. Right.
But let's start thinking right now, from the time we start here today till after the game tomorrow night, about that goddamn hockey game. You know it, and I know it. There's no way that we can afford to lose. It's as simple as that. So we got to come ready. Not like last Thursday or last Sunday, when Peterborough comes in and knocks us off. Ottawa comes in and knocks us off. And then we have a horrendous fucking road trip, to say the least.
She yelled at me, went over. She yelled at me. He was wide open.
Let him go.
The defenseman supposed to come across and pick up that guy? What about the guy breaking for the net? Does he? Yeah.
That's it. Stay with it. Stay with it. That's it. That's it. That's it.